Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Square Online Classes Barampur. In this video, I will do the current affairs of 18 July. Let's start the MCQ quiz. Which state has recently started healthcare service at your doorstep initiative? Which state has recently started healthcare service at your doorstep? Healthcare service at your doorstep. That state is Maharashtra. The state is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, the first city were Nasik. In Nasik, they started healthcare service at your doorstep. Means the doctor will come in your door to check your COVID-19 patient. Clear? Healthcare service at your doorstep initiative launched by Maharashtra. Capital is at Mumbai. And Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor. Lok Sabha seat is the 48. Rajya Sabha seat is 19. Lok Sabha 48, Rajya Sabha 19. Recently launched Mahaparvana scheme. Maharashtra recently launched Mahaparvana scheme. Mahajob portal and Project Platina. Also remember Shiv Bhojan, that provides Shiv Bhojan. Mahaparvana, Mahajob portal, Project Platina, Shiv Bhojan. These are the scheme of Maharashtra. Recently launched healthcare service at your doorstep. Healthcare service at your doorstep in Nasik, Maharashtra. Clear? Uddhav Thackeray is the CM, Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor. Lok Sabha 48, Rajya Sabha 19. Who is the newly elected as the president of South America country, that is Suriname. Country name is Suriname. Currency Paramaribo. Sorry, capital, not currency. Capital is Paramaribo. Suriname, capital is Paramaribo. Here newly elected president is Chan Santokhi becomes the new president of Suriname. Capital Paramaribo. What is the currency? What is the currency of Suriname? You have to write in comment box. Clear? Suriname, capital Paramaribo. Chan Santokhi is the present president. And Andrzej Duda, now recently appointed Andrzej Duda is the president of Poland. Andrzej Duda recently appointed as the president of Poland, capital Warsaw. And Gudni T.H. Johansson becomes the president of Iceland. Iceland. Arif Alvi, guys are no, Pakistan. Andrzej Duda, Poland. Johansson, Iceland. Chan Santokhi, now Suriname. Arif Alvi, Pakistan. Clear? Right. Which institution researchers have developed method to produce biofuels from non-edible seeds. From non-edible seeds, they produce biofuels. The institution researchers. Which institution researchers have developed a method? That institute is IIT Guwahati. Clear? IIT Guwahati recently developed a method to produce biofuels from non-edible seeds. IIT Guwahati recently launched one application, that is Flagy application. Flagy application recently launched by IIT Guwahati. Remember Corosio, recently launched Corosio by IIT Delhi. Corosio. Remember Unisavio, IIT, yes, Roorkee. Unisavio, IIT, Roorkee. Clear? Unisavio, IIT, Roorkee. Remember one more, that is Sudh, IIT Kanpur, that is a mobile operated sanitizing device. Sudh, IIT Kanpur. Mobile Master G launched by IIT Kanpur. Mobile Master G, IIT Kanpur. Chest X-ray chest X-ray and project IJAC and IJAC project IJAC launched by IIT Gandhinagar. Similarly, remember advanced stethoscope launched by IIT Bombay. Artificial intelligence powered toolkit, AI powered toolkit launched by IIT Hyderabad. Hydrogen gas fuel. Remember, hydrogen gas fuel launched by IIT Mandi. Remember that much only. Which institution developed a method to produce biofuel from non-edible seeds? That is IIT Guwahati. Also launched FLEGI application. Soothed by IIT Kanpur and Mobile Master G by IIT Kanpur. Soothed by IIT Kanpur and Mobile Master G by IIT Kanpur. Remember one more too. That is That is chest X-ray and project IJAC. Chest X-ray and project IJAC by IIT Gandhinagar. Corosure by IIT Delhi. Unicefure by IIT Roorkee. Advanced stethoscope by IIT Bombay. AI powered toolkit by IIT Hyderabad. Hydrogen gas fuel, that is IIT Mandi. Clear? Next question. Name the Indian cable stayed Indian Railway bridge, India's first cable stayed Indian Railway bridge, which will connect Katra and Riasai in Jammu Kashmir. Name the India's first cable stayed Indian Railway bridge, which will connect Katra and Riasai in Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, they launched a cable stayed railway bridge. Cable stayed, this one, like this one. Cable stayed railway bridge. This is a bridge which is connected with a cable that connects. That bridge connects Katra and Riasi. That bridge connects Katra and Riasi. Launched by Indian Railway in Jammu Kashmir. What is this bridge name? This bridge name is Anji Khad Bridge. Clear? This bridge name is Anji Khad Bridge. Recently, remember, Jammu Kashmir recently launched one scheme, that is Darbar Move launched by Jammu Kashmir. Lok Sabha seat is Jammu Kashmir CS what? Lok Sabha seat 5, Rajya Sabha seat 4. Lok Sabha seat 5, Rajya Sabha seat is 4. Clear? And remember, who is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir? Girish Chandra Murmu is the present Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, IIT Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Clear? Again I will repeat. Name the Indian Railway, India's first cable stayed Indian Railway bridge, which will connect Katra to Riasi in Jammu Kashmir. That bridge is Anji Khad Bridge. Jammu Kashmir recently launched Darbar Move. Lok Sabha seat is 5, Rajya Sabha seat is 4, and Lieutenant Governor is Girish Chandra Murmu. That bridge connects Katra to Riasi. That bridge name is Anji Khad Bridge. When is International Nelson Mandela Day is observed? International Nelson Mandela Day. Nelson Mandela is the first president of South Africa. In his birthday, we celebrate International Nelson Mandela Day. Clear? International Nelson Mandela Day. That is 18 July. Remember, he is the first president of South Africa. He also got Bharat Ratna, India's highest award, Bharat Ratna, in 1990. In 1990, he receives Bharat Ratna award. Also received Pakistan's highest award, that is Nissan-e-Pakistani. That is Nissan-e-Pakistani award in 1992, and also received Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel in category peace. Nobel Peace. Which category means peace? Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. Clear? Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. Bharat Ratna in 1990. Nissan-e-Pakistani in 1992. International Nelson Mandela Day in 18 July. Next, Who is the present president of Uber India? Uber India, not Uber. Uber CEO is Dara Khosrowshahi. Dara Khosrowshahi is the CEO of Uber. Headquarter is at California. Headquarter is at California, USA. USA, California. Uber India's president. Who is the Uber India's president? That is Prabhajit Singh. Prabhajit Singh. Prabhajit Singh is the Uber India president. Who is the present CEO of Uber? CEO of Uber. That is Dara Khosrowshahi. Dara Khosrowshahi is the present CEO of Uber. But who is the Uber India president? Prabhajit Singh. In India, he controls Uber. Prabhajit Singh. Mera Pani, Meri Virasat is a scheme of which state? Mera Pani, Meri Virasat is a scheme of, that is a water conservation scheme. That is a water saving scheme, water conservation scheme. That is a water conservation scheme of which state? The state is Haryana. Capital is Chandigarh. Capital is Chandigarh. Haryana. Capital is Chandigarh. Clear? Lok Sabha seat is 10, Rajya Sabha seat is 5. Haryana. Lok Sabha seat is 10, Rajya Sabha seat is 5. Capital is Chandigarh. CM Manohar Khattar. Manohar Lal Khattar. And Governor Satyadev Narayan Arya. Satyadev Narayan Arya is the governor. Clear? Haryana recently launched Mera Pani Mera Virasat. That is a water conservation scheme. Remember, Haryana, sorry, Chhattisgarh. Haryana, not Chhattisgarh, Haryana. Clear? Haryana recently launched Mera Pani Mera Virasat scheme. That is a water conservation scheme. CM Manohar Lal Khattar. Governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. And Lok Sabha seat 5, Rajya Sabha seat is Lok Sabha seat is 10, Rajya Sabha seat is 5. Capital Chandigarh. Remember, Haryana recently launched his water bottle, that is Haryana Fresh. Haryana Fresh. Haryana Fresh. They use only this bottle, water bottle, Haryana Fresh water bottle. And also they provide 75% local people to private job. They provide 75% local people to private job. Clear? And remember one more two scheme, that is one very important Samadhan se Vikas scheme. Samadhan se Vikas. Samadhan se Vikas scheme one. Second one is Help Me. Help Me. Samadhan se Vikas and Help Me, launched by Haryana. Again I will repeat. Mera Pani Mera Virasat. It is a water conservation scheme of Haryana. Capital is Chandigarh. Lok Sabha seat 10, Rajya Sabha seat is 5, district 22. CM Manohar Lal Khattar and Governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Haryana launched water bottle for his state. That bottle's name is Haryana Fresh. And they provide 75% local people to government private job. Spandana se Vikas is a scheme of Haryana. Help Me is an application. Next. Who will be conferred with the prestigious Mohan Bagan Ratna award this year? Mohan Bagan Ratna is a sports award given by Mohan Bagan Club, that is at Kolkata. Mohan Bagan Ratna is a sports award that is headquarter is at Kolkata. That is a club. Mohan Bagan Club is at Kolkata. This award is a sports award that goes to two persons. One is Gurubaksh Singh and another one is Palas Nandi. Remember, very important question. Palas Nandi. One is Gurubaksh Singh and another one is Palas Nandi. Palas Nandi related to cricket and Gurubaksh Singh is hockey player. Gurubaksh Singh is hockey player. Palas Nandi is cricket player. Gurubaksh Singh hockey player. Clear? Mohan Bagan Ratna award given by Mohan Bagan Club, that is at Kolkata. Next. Which state has been awarded with Elite Excellence Award 2020? Elite Excellence Award 2020 given to Chhattisgarh. Clear? Chhattisgarh. Capital Raipur. Elite Excellence Award is under Digital India Initiative. Under Digital India Initiative, they provides Elite Excellence Award. Digital India Initiative. Because why this award given to Chhattisgarh? Because Chhattisgarh recently launched one scheme, that is Suraji Gaon scheme. Suraji Gaon scheme. To implement, to monitoring this scheme, they launched one website, that is Darpan website. Remember, Darpan website. Chhattisgarh government recently launched a Surajgaon scheme. Surajgaon scheme. To monitoring this scheme, to monitoring Surajgaon scheme, they make one website. That website is Darpan website. To monitoring Surajgaon scheme, they make Darpan website. For Darpan website, under Digital India Initiative, Chhattisgarh government awarded Elite Excellency Award. Clear? Chhattisgarh government recently awarded Elite Excellency Award. Why? They make Darpan website for Surajgaon scheme. Clear? Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur and CM Bhupesh Bagal. Anusuya Wiki is the governor. And remember one more too, that is application. That is Kabach application. And Kabach application launched by Chhattisgarh. Sea Ghat application launched by Chhattisgarh. Raksha Sarv launched by Chhattisgarh. And Rozgar Sangi launched by Chhattisgarh. Clear? And remember one more scheme, that is the application, one more scheme, Spandana scheme. Spandana scheme. The Rajiv Gandhi Nyaya Yojana. Rajiv Gandhi Nyaya Yojana. Rajiv Gandhi Nyaya Yojana launched by Chhattisgarh. And Godhan Nyaya Yojana, they brought Godhan Nyaya Yojana. The government will brought cow dung for farmers. And remember one more, Adarsh police station. Adarsh police station. Again I will repeat. Which state, question was, which state has been awarded with the Elite Excellency Award 2020? That state is Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur. Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur. CM Bhupesh Bagal, Anusuya Wiki is the governor. Clear? Why this award given? Because under Digital India Initiative, they produced a Surajgaon scheme. In this scheme, to this scheme operating, they launched Darpan website. To monitoring the Surajgaon scheme, they launched the Darpan scheme. For this scheme, that state awarded Elite Excellency Award. They also launched Kabach scheme, Sea Ghat, Raksha Sarv, Rozgar Sangi. Kabach, Sea Ghat, Raksha Sarv, Rozgar Sangi. These are the application. Spandana scheme, Rajiv Gandhi Nyaya Yojana, Godhan Nyaya Yojana, Adarsh police station launched by Chhattisgarh. Last question of the day. Iran has dropped his country. Which country? Not country. Which country from a railway project linking the Chabar port in Jahidan district? Iran has dropped which country from a railway project linking the Chabar port, Jahidan district, Jahidan city. In Jahidan city, there is a port, that is Chabar port. Chabar port. Which country dropped? That country is India. Why Iran dropped India? Because India not buying oil from Iran. India not buying oil from Iran. So Iran disagree with India and dropped Chabar port. Clear? And dropped Chabar port. Who is the present president of Iran? Iran present president is Hassan Rouhani. Hassan Rouhani. Capital is Tehran. Currency, new currency, Tehran. New currency is Toman. New currency is Toman. Recently launched one robot. That robot is what? Surena robot. They speaks 100 languages. Surena robot. And two satellite, that is Noor and Jafar. They launched two satellite, that is Noor and Jafar. Remember one more, Alruja Firoza. Alruja Firoza, she is a famous chess player of Iran. Alruja Firoza, famous chess player of Iran. Remember, Hassan Rouhani is the president. Surena is the famous robot who speaks 100 languages. And a new currency Tehran replaced Riyal. Capital Tehran. New currency Toman replaced Riyal. Riyal replaced. And Noor and Jafar 2 satellite launched by Iran. Now start the best news of the day. IIT Madras started off develop a portable hospital called Medicare. This is a portable hospital. Portable means we have to move this place to another place. That is a portable hospital. Means you are one camp. You make a camp and today and next day onwards that is removed here. Clear? IIT Madras set up a portable hospital. Means simply removal hospital called Medicare, which institute recently developed medical. That institute is IIT Madras. Is the according to NIRF, IIT Madras is the top institute of India. And recently one more scheme, Corosure launched by IIT Delhi, and Unisavio launched by IIT Roorkee, and Fledgy application IIT Guwahati, and Sudh Mobile Masterji IIT Kanpur, Advanced Stethoscope IIT Bombay, and Chest X-ray Project Isaac launched by IIT Gandhinagar, Hydrogen Fuel launched by IIT Mandi. Roshni Nadar Malhotra becomes the new chairman of HCL Technology. Who becomes the new chairman of HCL Technology? That is Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Roshni Nadar Malhotra becomes new chairman of HCL. HCL full form is HCL Hindustan Computer Limited. Headquarter is at Noida. HCL Hindustan Computer Limited. New chairman is Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Roshni Nadar Malhotra becomes new chairman of HCL. That much only you have to remember. World Day for International Justice. World Day for International Justice observed on 17 July. But Malala Day, Nelson Mandela Day 18 July. Malala Day is at 12 July. Clear? Now remember one more we have discussed already. 1st July National Doctors Day. Chartered Account Day, GST Day, Postal Workers Day, 2nd July, Sports Journalist Day, UFO Day, Unidentified Flying Object Day, 4th July, Cooperative Affairs Day, 4th July. Next 7th July, International Chocolate Day. Next 10th July, Fish Farmers Day, National Fish Farmers Day. Next 11th July, World Population Day. Next 12th July, Malala Day and World Paper Bag Day. Clear? Malala Day and World Paper Bag Day. 15th July, Youth Skills Day. 15th July, Youth Skills Day. Now 17th July, International Day of Justice, International Justice Day, and World Emoji Day, and 18th July, Nelson Mandela Day. Clear? Again I will repeat. Remember, that is very important question. 1st July National Doctor Day, Chartered Account Day, GST Day. 1st July National Doctors Day, Chartered Account Day, GST Day, and Postal Workers Day. National Doctors Day, Chartered Account Day, GST Day, and Postal Workers Day. 2nd July Sports Journalist Day, Unidentified Flying Object Day. 4th July Cooperative Affairs Day. 7th July International Chocolate Day. 10th July Fish Farmers Day, National Fish Farmers Day. 11th July World Population Day. 12th July Malala Day and World Paper Bag Day. Next 15th July Youth Skills Day. 17th July World Emoji Day and World Day for International Justice, and 18 July is Nelson Mandela Day. Clear? Next news. India and Israel signed an agreement to expand their collaboration in dealing with cyber threat. Cyber threats, India and Israel signed an agreement. Remember one more important questions. One, the rifle, that is a gun, rifle, that is Arad and Carmel. Arad and Carmel, that is two rifle of Israel, now set up manufacturing unit at Madhya Pradesh. Arad and Carmel manufacturing unit, that is two rifle of Israel, that set up manufacturing unit at Madhya Pradesh, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Remember one more, that is AK-203, that is a rifle gun, that manufacturing unit set up at Amethi. Amethi is at Uttar Pradesh. Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. AK-203. Very important. K9 Vajra gun. K9 Vajra gun, rifle. K9 Vajra gun manufacturing unit set up at Hajaria. Hajaria near Surat, Gujarat. Clear? Hajaria. AK-203 Amethi, K9 Vajra at Hajaria, Arad and Carmel at MP manufacturing unit. India and Israel signed an MOU with a cyber threat. Clear? Next. Telangana police launched cyber campaign to tackle cyber crime against women and children. To tackle women and children cyber crime, Telangana government launched a cyber campaign. Who is the CM? Telangana, K. Chandrasekhar Rao. And Governor T. Sundaran Rajan. Lok Sabha seat 17, Rajya Sabha seat 7, Lok Sabha 17, Rajya Sabha 17. Second, very important, statehood day, 2nd June 2014. Remember, 2nd June is the statehood day. Capital Hyderabad. Federal Bank has received the RBI approval for the reappointment of Shyam Srinivasan as MD and CEO till September 22, 2021. Federal Bank CEO newly reappointed Shyam Srinivasan. Headquarters is at Kochi. Federal Bank headquarters is at Kochi. And tagline: your perfect banking partner. Remember, Federal Bank partner with Visa to secure Visa secure to the bank customer holders, to the Federal Bank customer holders, Visa secure to roll out Visa secure to the bank card holders. Visa partner with Federal Bank to roll out Visa secure to the bank card holders. Visa partner with Federal Bank to roll out Visa secure to bank card holders. Visa partner with Federal Bank to roll out Visa secure to bank card holders. Where is the Federal Bank headquarters? Headquarters is at Kochi. Who is the partner? Who is the CEO? Shyamala Srinivasan. And tagline: your perfect banking partner. NABARD has sanctioned 795 crore for reconstructing infrastructure damaged by Cyclone Amphan in West Bengal. NABARD has sanctioned 795 crore reconstructing infrastructure damaged by Cyclone Amphan in West Bengal. Cyclone Amphan recently hit West Bengal. Who gives this name? Amphan, that is Thailand. Amphan name given by Thailand. And NABARD sanctioned 795 crore. NABARD full form National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Headquarters is at Mumbai. Who is the CEO? Chintala Govind Rajulu. Is the CEO of NABARD. Clear? NABARD in his 39th foundation day founded at NABARD foundation year is 1982 July 12. Yes, July 12. Yes, July 12. And in his 39th foundation day this year, in this 39th foundation day this year, 39th foundation day this year 2020, they launched Digital Chopal. They launched Digital Chopal. They launched Digital Chopal. 1 minute. Listen, NABARD has sanctioned 795 crore for reconstructing infrastructure damaged by cyclone Amphan. NABARD headquarters at Mumbai. C. Govind Rajulu is the head of NABARD. 1982 July 12 is the formation day of NABARD. And in this year they launched Digital Chopal. Next, Rose Christian Osuka Rapondo. Rose Christian Osuka Rapondo has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of Gabon. First female President of Gabon, Prime Minister of Gabon. Capital is Libreville. Gabon, Libreville. Currency franc. Libreville franc. Gabon's new Prime Minister Rose Christina Osuka Raponda. First female election commissioner Maharashtra Nila Satyanarayan passed away. Nila Satyanarayan belongs to Maharashtra, passed away recently. India formed air bubbles with USA, France, Germany. Air bubbles means there is no obstacle between India and USA to moving flight. That is air bubbles. India formed air bubbles with USA, France and Germany. Now start Chhattisgarh. Capital is Raipur. 1st November 2000 is the statehood day. Bhupesh Baghel is the CM. Anusuya Uike is the governor. Total district 28. Lok Sabha 11. Rajya Sabha is 5. Last district is Gorela Pandera Maroi. Head High Court agent Bilaspur, and P. Ramachandra Menon is the Chief Justice. P. Ramachandra Menon is the Chief Justice. Anusuya Uike, Governor. Bhupesh Baghel, CM. Bilaspur is the High Court. P. Ramachandra Menon is the Chief Justice. Lok Sabha seat 11, Rajya Sabha seat is 5. Border state means Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Telangana. Here is the Chhattisgarh, landlocked state. Odisha, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Clear? Next. Guru Ghasidas National Park, very important. Indravati National Park, very important. Kangarghat National Park. Guru Ghasidas, Indravati, Kangarghat. Guru Ghasidas, Indravati, Kangarghat. Guru Ghasidas, Indravati, Kangarghat. These are the famous national park. Sita Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary, Achana Kamar Wildlife Sanctuary, Tomar Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary. Sita Nadi, Achana Kamar, Tomar Pingla. Guru Ghasidas, Indravati and Kangarghat National Park. These are the famous national park of Chhattisgarh. This is the video of today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and like, please, Competitive Square. Thank you.